Okay, so what was the final answer? Can you please tell me?
11,200.
11,200.
11,200.
200.
Okay, wait. I am not able to type here. Okay, so the present value is 10,000. Its rate of interest is 12%. So how we will write the formula? 10,000 bracket 1 plus 0.12 raised to 1, because you are investing it for 1 year. So 10,000 into, let's start the bracket. I mean, let's start solving the bracket. 1 plus 0.12, that is 1.12. And what is 1.12 for 1 year? 1.12 only. No, it is 1 year. It is for 1 year only, annually. So the answer is rupees 11,200. After 1 year, you will get 11,200. Okay. So now there can be one more question as to what is the amount of interest that you have earned in this situation. See guys, it is not asked in the question.
1,200.
Very good, very good. Somebody answered. Who was it? Who was it?
Anu, ma'am.
Anu, very good.
No.
Very good, Anu. Very good. I can see you are very clever and giving very quick answers. Very good. What did I ask? See, it is not asked in the textbook, but I can ask in the question paper. What the question will be? It can be as follows. The question will be, how much is the amount of interest that is earned in this particular situation? See, you had invested 10,000 rupees and you have earned back, you have got back 11,200 rupees. So what is the extra amount of interest that you have earned? See, 10,000 which you have got back, that was your principal amount. No, that too you should be getting. You should be getting 10,000 rupees. So what is the amount? See, 12% is the rate of interest. I am asking you the amount of interest that has been earned. So it is, how to be calculated? See, the amount of interest that has been earned here is, the amount of interest that has been earned here is 1,200. How did we calculate this 1,200? I'll write it in the bracket. And also in the exam, you have to make this bracket. The total earnings were 11,200.
Minus 10,000.
Yes, minus your own amount, which was the principal amount. Okay, so the rest of the amount, the leftover amount is the amount that is amount of interest after deducting. So I hope you understand this, huh? In each
Yes, ma'am.
case, now thereafter, in each case, you will be answering this. The way it has to be written is the amount of interest that has been earned here is. तो आप हर एक के केस के नीचे बताएंगे मुझे, ओके? तो हम बाद में कंपेयर भी कर सकते हैं ना? We can compare A case, B case, C case, D case. What is better? Which is the best one? Okay. So now B. Let me use this formula again. Okay. Now, tell me, the second case is related to half yearly. If it is compounded half yearly, it is telling you about 0.12 half yearly. So the formula is future value is equals to PV 1 plus R raised to N. What is PV? 10,000. 1 plus has to be written as it is. What is R? 0.12. Okay. What is the year? How many years you are investing for? 1 year. Multiplied by, tell me, half yearly. If it is compounded by half yearly. Yes. Half yearly means 6 months. So how many times 6 months are there to make the total of 12 months? How many times 6 months will be there so that we can get the total of 12 months? 2 times. Are you getting my point? 6, 6. 2 times 6, 6. Therefore, it will make the total of 12 months. So 1 into 2. If it is into 2 outside the bracket, inside the bracket, it will be divide by 2. So it will be divide by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's start solving. Equals to, keep 10,000 same. I hope you all are doing it with me. Don't stop yourself. Do it with me. Go on writing down with me. 10,000. Now let's start the bracket. 1 plus, what is 0.12 divided by 2?
0.06.
Of 0.12 is 0.06. Yes. Okay, outside the bracket. Raised to 1 into 2. What is raised to 1 into 2? Raised to 2. It is raised to 2. What is 1 into 2? It's
2.
2. Yes, it's 2. Come to the next step. Next step is 10,000 same again. Bracket. What is 1 plus 0.06?
1.06.
Very good. 1.06. It is 1.06 raised to 2. Now 1.06 raised to 2 means 2 times. 1.06 into 1.06. So the answer is
1.12.
1.12. Sorry, 1.12. So what is the final answer?
11,200.
Same, 11,200. So there is hardly any difference between whole year and what to say, half yearly. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start. Sorry. Let's do this again with the case C. Okay. Now case number C says quarterly. Quarterly. So tell me what is
2
quarterly?
into 4.
Yes. No, why 2 into 4? We are investing it for 1 year only, no? So whatever you have to
4,
do
ma'am.
is with 1. 1 into 4. 1 year. I'm investing for 1 year. So 1 into 4. Okay. Here it would be divide by 4. So it should be this way. 10,000 in the bracket 10,000. Sorry, 10,000 in the bracket 1 plus 0.12 divide by 4. And outside the bracket you have to write 1 into 4. Now you guys solve it and let me know the final answer.
03.
Sorry, what is 0.12 divided by 4?
0.03.
0.03. It is 0.12 divided by 4. It is 0.03. Okay. And what is 1 into 4? Raised to 4. What is raised to 1 into 4? It is raised to 4. Okay. Next step. 10,000 same. 1 plus 0.03. 1 plus 0.03 is what?
1.03.
1.03 raised to 4.
4.
Yes. So how you have to do now in the calci? Put the value 1.03 into 1.03 equals to 1.0609 is in the calci. It is of the second year. Press equal to and say third year. Press equal to and say fourth year. That's it. Up to fourth year.
1.13.
Yes. Up to fourth year we have to stop.
1.13.
Yes. So it is 1.13. That means it is 11,300.
Interest 1,300.
Yes. No, you have to write that line. Huh? So what is interest? Interest amount is
1,300.
1,300. You have to write that complete sentence. I'm writing it as in the short form. Interest is equal to 1,300. But you don't have to write this way. How you will write? This way. The amount of interest that has been earned here is 1,300. Okay. Now, the last part is monthly. Monthly means what? 1 month. Monthly means 1 month.
By 12 and
12
Yes.
month.
Yes. So you have 1 month. How many times 1 month will be multiplied? How many times you have to take 1 month so that it becomes the total of 12 months? Of
12.
course, 12. Of course, 12. So it is outside the bracket raised to 1 into 12. So because outside the bracket it is raised to 1 into 12, inside the bracket it will be divided by 12. Now tell me, 10,000 same, in the bracket 1 plus same, 0.12 upon 12.
0.01.
0.01. It is 0.12 divided by 12 and the answer is 0.01. And raised to what? 1 into 12 is
12.
what? 12.
12.
Yes. Okay. Let's start the bracket. Let's solve the bracket. 10,000 same. What is inside the bracket? 1 plus 0.01. So what is the answer?
1.01.
1.01 raised to 12. So yeah, start using the calci. Go on with me. Huh? 1.01 into 1.01 equals to whatever is the answer in your screen on the screen. It will be of the second year. So start from third years. Go on saying third, fourth, fifth, and press equals to with that. Press equals to say third. Press equals to fourth. Equals to 5. Equals to sixth. Equals to seventh. Equals to 8. Equals to 9. Equals to 10. Equals to 11. Equals to 12. What is the answer? 1.13.
1.13.
1.13.
Same. I
Yes, same. 1.13. Okay. So it is 11,300. So almost first and second case is same. And third and fourth case, the answer is same. The interest is 1,300 rupees. Okay. And daily. डेली के लिए आपको ये फिगर मिली जाएगी. ये देखो 1 into 365 है ना, तो 365 raised to 365. Daily means 1 day. How many days are there in a year? 365. So 1 into 365 divide by 365 here inside the bracket. So the final figure will be given to you. You don't have to do it 3 equals to 365 times. No. The figure will be available to you. That is 1.13. That is 1.127. Ultimately, it is 1.13.
same.
Yes,
11,300.
because ultimately, see, if it is quarterly, we are converting it for 12 months. If it is for 365 days, if it is for 1 day, we are converting it for 365 days, which is ultimately 12 months. So for all the, I mean, we are converting into 12 months, no? Are you getting? So somewhere around you earn the same amount.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start another question. Sorry, please wait for 1 minute. Okay. Now the next question. An investor invests rupees 60,000 in a bank certificate of deposit. It is an investment. Huh? Certificate of deposit is a type of investment. Okay. So an investor is investing 60,000 in a bank and he has opted for certificate of deposit. Investment का type क्या है? Certificate of deposit. For how many years? 3 years. At the rate 8% interest per annum. Calculate the maturity value of the investment. Whenever it says maturity value, of course, it has to be future value. Because in future it will be mature, no? The maturity value has to be a future value. Very simple. Okay? And they are telling you to deposit it for 3 years. So understood, it is understood that 60,000 is today's value, present value, and you are asked to deposit it for 3 years at the rate 8% per annum. Which sum is this? This is fifth sum.
Fifth.
Yes, ma'am.
This is fifth sum, na? Okay. Now, tell me what is the present value?
60,000.
60,000.
Okay. What is the rate of interest?
8%.
So 0.08.
Yes.
0.08. Okay. And for how many years you are investing?
3.
So what are the values? 60,000 in the bracket 1 plus 0.08 raised to 3. Is it written compounded half yearly, annually, semi-annually? Is it written something like that? Quarterly?
No.
No. That means it is to be assumed that it is already annually. We don't have to do anything. Just plain. 1 plus 0.08 raised to 3. So tell me, inside the brackets,
1 plus
60,000 will be
0.03.
same. 60,000 will be same. 1 plus 0.08 is what? 1.08 raised to what? 3.
3.
So 1.08
1.2
into 1.08. Yes, wait, let me first tell everybody. 1.08 into 1.08, the answer is of second year. Press equals to and say third year and stop there. Tell me the answer which appears on the screen of Calci. What is the answer of 3 times of 1.08?
1.26, ma'am.
26, very good. 1.26. 1.26. Mute. Jayashree, beta, mute. 1.08 3 times. You have got the answer 1.
26.
Yes. So it has to be multiplied with 1.26. 60,000 has to be multiplied with 1.26. So what is the final answer?
75,600.
75,600.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Okay. An investor has invested rupees 5,50,000 in a bank FD, fixed deposit, for 4 years at the rate 8.5% per annum. How much will he receive at the maturity? So again, this is sixth sum, na? Okay. So what is the present value? 5,50,000.
5,50,000.
5,50,000. What is the rate of interest?
8.5%.
8.5% means what? 0.85. For how many years you are investing?
4.
Okay. Now, 5,50,000, it would be same. Write down same 5,50,000. Now, inside the bracket, 1 plus 0.85. 1 plus 0.85. It
One
would be
point eight.
1 point, sorry, 1 point what? 85. Is it correct? Please reply with yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 1 plus 0.85 is 1.85 raised to 4. So again 5,50,000 same. Now 1.85 raised to 4. So in the calci 1.1 sorry 1.85 into 1.85 3.42 is the answer of second year. Press equals to third year. Press equals to fourth year. That's it. The answer is, tell me the answer.
11.71.
No, it should not be that. Wait. Huh? It is 0.08. Nah. See,
Yes, ma'am.
it is a mistake here.
0.085
It
आएगा.
is 0.085. Because 8.5 divided by 100. What is it? 8.5 divided by 100. It is 0.085. No. You guys are also not telling me the correct one. When I was writing it
नहीं
as
मैम, मुझे
wrong.
आया था वो, बट मुझे लगा मेरा रॉन्ग होगा.
बोलने का था ना, नहीं बेटा. 8.5 divided by 100 is 0.085. So what is 1 plus 0.085? 1 plus 0.085 is 1.085. Up to two figures. We want up to two figures.
1.39.
No, we want up to two figures, no? So it would be 1.09. 1.09 raised to 4. Now do it. Yes, tell me. Is it 1.41? Is it 1.41?
Yes, ma'am. 4141.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the final answer? What is the final answer, dear? Tell me.
77. 7,75,500.
Yes, ma'am. 7,75,500.
5,500.
Okay. Good. So for 4 years, you have invested 5,50,000 rupees, and after 4 years, you will get back 7,75,500. Such a nice investment, no? You are earning, how much is the interest of, how much is the amount of interest that you are earning in 4 years?
2,25,000.
1,25,500.
So, see, such
Two
a
lakh
good amount.
25,500.
2,25,500.
2,25,000.
See, such a good amount you are earning in 4 years. 2,25,000 is so good amount. You are doing nothing. You are just investing your money in bank ka FD. Just at
Ma'am,
8.5% interest. So you are earning 2,25,000 what? 500, na?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
This
ma'am.
is the amount of interest that you
Hello.
are earning for 4 long years.
मैम
Yes, tell me.
मैम जो ऊपर 1.41 है ना, वो मेरा आ रहा है 1.39.
नहीं, गलत आ रहा है. आपने क्या किया देखो. 1.0.1 प्लस 0.085 है. क्या आप यहीं पे ही उसको 0.09 बना दो. यहीं पे उसको 5 है ना, 5 की वजह से 8 का एक नंबर बढ़ जाएगा. पीछे नंबर क्या
यस
है? पीछे नंबर 5 था. मुझे पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट चाहिए, तो 2 डिजिट में सेकंड नंबर था 8, तो सेकंड नंबर को 8 के बजाय 9 बना दो. ठीक है, यहीं पे ही बना दो. तो 1.1 प्लस 0.09 का आंसर क्या होता है? 1 प्लस 09, सॉरी 1
यस
प्लस 0.09 का आंसर होता है 1.09. तो 1.09 इंटू 4 टाइम्स करना है आपको. तो आंसर देखो 1.41 आएगा. बताओ मुझे, कैलकुलेट करके बताइए। 1.09 इंटू 1.09 इक्वल्स टू, फिर से इक्वल्स टू प्रेस करो, बोलो थर्ड टाइम, एंड फिर से इक्वल्स टू जब प्रेस करेंगे तो बोलेंगे फोर्थ टाइम, तो वहां पे रुक जाना है आपको। तो जब फोर्थ टाइम बोला तो आंसर क्या आया आपका?
1.4.
1.41 आया। ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट। ये YTM है, ओके। रुको, हमने इसमें ना वो सीखना है, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू और फ्यूचर वैल्यू। और कोई सम है क्या प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर वैल्यू का? लेट मी जस्ट चेक।
मैम सिर्फ यही दो फॉर्मूला वाला सम
हाँ
करेंगे
जी,
हम।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। देखो चैप्टर पूरा भी हो गया आपका। अभी हमारे लिए सिर्फ फ्यूचर वैल्यू और प्रेजेंट वैल्यू दो फॉर्मूलाज हैं। हमारे पास हैं कुछ और क्वेश्चंस, लेकिन अभी मेरे पास ये टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं दिख रहे हैं। चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको,
होमवर्क दे दूंगी।
हाँ जी होमवर्क, लेकिन प्रेजेंट वैल्यू का मुझे करवाना था एक दो क्वेश्चन।
क्योंकि प्रेजेंट वैल्यू नहीं किया हम लोग अभी।
हाँ, ओके, राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन, आई टेल यू, राइट डाउन। What will be the present value? What will be the present value which was invested 4 years before, which was invested 4 years ago? What should be the present value which was invested 4 years ago at the rate 9.5 percentage, at the rate 9.5 percentage, full stop, full stop. I mean, it should be question mark, huh? Because we were framing a question, no? What will be the present value which was invested 4 years ago at the rate 9.5 percentage, question mark. Write down the next sentence. At the end of fourth year, at the end of fourth year, the maturity value of the amount is, the maturity value of the amount is 6,25,000. 6,25,000. At the end of the maturity value at the end of fourth year, the maturity value is rupees 6,25,000. Now, what they are asking you, tell me. What are
Present
they
Present
value
asking
find
value.
you?
करना है.
Yes, so you need to calculate present value now. So the formula of present value is, can anybody tell me?
प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस आर रेज टू एन डिवाइड बाई फ्यूचर वैल्यू।
उल्टा बोल, हाँ सही बोला, बिल्कुल करेक्ट। 1 plus r raised to n divided by future value, बिल्कुल करेक्ट, वेरी गुड। Actually, it should be future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n, ना? हमने ऐसे क्यों लिखा है? It should be future, amount ऊपर होता है और rate नीचे होता है ना? ये देखो प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इधर आ गया, फ्यूचर वैल्यू इधर आ गया, तो जो 1 plus r raised to n है वो फ्यूचर वैल्यू के नीचे जाएगा ना? This should be the formula. See guys, this should be the formula. मैंने उल्टा लिख दिया था उसको क्या? आपने भी वैसे ही लिखा था? आपने सबने बिल्कुल वैसे ही लिखा था क्या? नहीं, वैसे नहीं लिखना है.
हाँ मैम.
प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू, ये देखो प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इधर गया, ये पूरा इक्वल्स टू वाला आइटम अगर इधर जाएगा तो 1 प्लस आर रेज टू एन डिवाइड हो जाएगा ना फ्यूचर वैल्यू के. फ्यूचर वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू के इधर आएगा, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इधर जाएगा, तो 1 प्लस आर रेज टू एन अगर नेक्स्ट साइड जाएगा तो वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा ना. तो फॉर्मूला कैसे बनती है प्रेजेंट वैल्यू की?
Yes, ma'am.
फ्यूचर वैल्यू डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस आर रेज टू एन. सी प्लीज गाइस नोट द फॉर्मूला. It was a mistake from my side. It should be future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. It should be future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So it is future value divided by bracket 1 plus r bracket close raised to n. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me future value. What is the future value? Is it given in the question?
6,25,000.
Yes, very good. It is 6,25,000. Very good. Divided by. So I'll put the slash. Put a sign of slash. It is divided by. It means it is divided by. So tell me. Bracket 1 plus. What is R in the question?
9.5%.
9.5% means what? 0.095. So instead of writing 3 digits after decimal, we will write 2. So what is 0.095 will be converted to 0.9 को एक number से बढ़ाएंगे ना? 09. There are 2 digits. 09. So increase it by 1. 09 means 10. So it is 0.10. It is 0.10 raised to
4.
Very good. Raised to 4. It should be 4. Okay. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
next we will write 6,25,000 same. 6,25,000 it will be same.
1.10.
Wait. Now we will solve the bracket first. So divided by in the bracket 1.0 1 plus 0.10. What is the answer in the bracket?
1.10.
Raised to
4.
very good. Very good. And what is the next step? You have to use the calci and tell me
1.46.
4 times of 1.10 is
Yes.
what?
1.46.
1.46.
Divided by, remember it is division ka sign. 1.46. What did
Yes, ma'am.
you? Okay. It is 6,25,000 divided by 1.46.
0.46.
So what is the final answer?
4,28,082.
4,28,000.
82.
82. Yes ma'am.
082. Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wait, I'll tell you the meaning of it. The meaning is presently you have 4,28,082 rupees, which is invested in the, which is invested somewhere in the bank or maybe somewhere else. And after 4 years, you are getting 6,25,000. So what is the interest ka amount? Amount of interest that has been earned.
1,96,980.
1,90,000.
6,980.
980.
18, ma'am.
918. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the way you have to solve. clear, everybody? The
Yes,
formula
ma'am.
of present value is future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. So if you listen to the previous lectures, there was a mistake. I wrote the formula in a wrong way. Please don't follow that. It was my mistake. I'm very sorry for that. Please write this way. Future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. Because it is value which is on the numerator. And then you have to divide it with whatever the rate of interest is for number of years. So I hope you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will join the meeting again. I will give you one more question for finding out the present value. I mean, two more questions.
मैम आप क्वेश्चन दे दो ना, जब तक हम लोग सॉल्व कर लेंगे.